Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix suspicious account error on Bitget. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you are seeing a suspicious account, error on Bitget is likely means that your system has flagged your account due to an unusual activity or security concern. So there are steps you can actually take in order to correct this. So in order for it to fix the suspicious error, all you need to do is to go to your browser. On your browser, all you can do is to go ahead and search for Bitget support page. So looking near the first option, he says 24-hour support service. So you need to do here is to go ahead and click on this just like this. So look in the other things you can actually do in order to fix the suspicious error. You have seen all your accounts. You can actually contact their support. You can complete the KYC verification, reset your password, check email notification, check your IP or device changes, enable two-factor authentication, and review your recent transaction. So you can actually do this by clicking on any of this option. Let's take for instance you want to submit your KYC. All you need to do here is to go ahead and click on KYC submission right here. So looking at they're going to ask you to import the Gmail use in creating your accounts. So you need to do is the input the Gmail and then click on verify. And then go ahead and solve this. Then we need to do is to input your password. And then a code is going to be sent to your Gmail. Simply input that code and you will be on this page. So if you haven't submitted your KYC, you can go ahead and do this right here. Simply click on verify and you have to provide some information and also submit the documents. So go ahead and do that. Once done, so let's go back. So you need to do here is to go ahead and reset the two-factor authentication, reset your identification verification, and also submit your KYC. And you'll be able to fix this problem. So that's basically how you can fix suspicious account error on Bitget. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.